Welcome, my name is Ahmed Al-Sakaf and I'm going to be explaining how we can solve system of inequalities through graphing. So what does system of inequalities mean? Solving system of inequalities means finding the ordered pairs that satisfy all the inequalities in the system. So how could we possibly do that? It's actually pretty easy. We can do them in just a few steps. So for the first step, we have to plug in each coordinate and then draw the line. After that, we have to shade each part depending on its sign. And for the second step, we can see the overlapping lines. This is called the feasible region, and this will be our answer. As we can see in front of us, we have three equations. We can first start by isolating the y, so it can be easier for us to draw. After that, we can start by drawing it, and then shading each line. And for our second step, we can see that we have this overlapping area, and this is called the feasible region. And it is as simple as that to solve a system of inequalities through graphing. And thank you for listening. So is magic real? I guess not. However, math is kind of considered as magic, and today I'm going to be presenting how to guess any three-digit numbers. So after choosing the three-digit number, you should ask your friend to reverse that number, and then he should subtract the smaller number by the bigger number. And so now it comes to you. The hundreds digits and the units digit will always have a sum of 9. And so you can ask them what the first digit in their number is, and then we can subtract the hundreds units and the 9 to get the units digit. And we have said earlier that the middle number is 9. So for example, he chooses 317. We will ask him to reverse that, which will make it 713, and then subtract them, which will get us 396. We can first ask him what the first digit is, and we know the middle number is always 9, so all we have to do is subtract the first number and 9 to get the units digit. 396 is the answer. So I'm going to be talking about Carl Friedrich Gauss. Carl was one of the most famous mathematicians in his time. He was even compared to one of the top mathematicians like Albert Einstein. So Carl has indeed discovered a lot of things in algebra. He has proved that polynomials should always have a complex root. He has also contributed a lot in the number theory. He has helped in the theories of binary and ternary quadric forms, and also helped in the contribution of hectadecagon.
Created using Powtoon.